My dear, hello, my dear student. Today we are solve the exercise, and it is the chapter. The chapter name is Getting Future Ready. Okay, and here is the first exercise. Complete this table about the differences between a astronaut and a space tourist. Okay, so you can see here. Here is the pick of astronaut, and here is the pick of space tourist. And how can you define say the different between both type of the person? Like a astronaut is sent into a space, and astronaut goes into space for work, and astronaut is professional, requires and spatial study and uh, un- undergoes extensive training. Okay, it means the astronaut has a professional person, and it requires special study, and this type of the person undergoes extensive training. Okay, but a space tourist goes into the space on his own money. It means they will spend money for tour, and they go it means a space tourist goes into space for fun and pleasure, and space tourist explores outer space on the personal tip, and space tourist is a kind of traveler. Okay, it is not a astronaut. Next is, which of these do the three reports you read on pages 33 to 36 indicates? Write T for true, of F for false. Work with the partner A. Now you can see here, modern technology is very affordable. Modern technology is very affordable. It is the false statement. Okay, so you will write here false. Technology could become more accessible. It is true statement, so you will write here to advances is technology will make machines better than humans. It is the false statement, so you will write F. Cutting edge technology will impact all aspect of human life. It is true statement. Modern technology is used only to certain kind of people, so you will also tick here false statement. And technology will change the way human live and travel. Here is the statement is true, so you will write down T. Modern technology is truly revolutionary. It is also true statement. And futuristic technology does not have any disadvantage. It is false. Why? Because in the future there are many advantages of the futuristic technology, and we can also make different kind of the instrument, and many kind of the machines in our future. Exercise number E. Complete this definitions, look up a dictionary for help. So you can say that here is the word phase means phase. The photograph is a picture that is uh, taken using a camera. Okay, photographs is a picture that is taken using a camera. Next is, a mechanic is someone. It means, do you know about the mechanic? A mechanic is the person who repairs machines. Okay, who repairs machine. Next is, an air conditioner is a machine which, what work of the air conditioner? Air conditioner is a machine which cools the air in a room or office. Okay, so next is, it means fourth option, a stethoscope is a piece of medical. Do you know about the stethoscope? You can also see it in neck of the doctor that hung you can see that instrument hung in a neck of doctor, and that is called stethoscope. A stethoscope is a piece of medical equipment that a doctor uses to listen to a person's heartbreak. Okay, person's heartbreak. Next is a scientist is a person who studies science and make many invention. Okay, a watch is a small clock that we wear on our wrist. Everyone know about the watch. Next is a SMS is a message that is sent through mobile phone, and you know about that there are many mobile phone, and we can type the message and send the message by help of mobile. ATMs are machines which dispense the cash, or we can take the cash by help of the ATM machine. Next, we are talking here, tick the correct conjunction within brackets to complete each sentence. So here is the given some of the it means two words, and it is the conjunction word, and you will add or join the sentence by help of conjunction. So the typewriter is an ancestor of the personal computer. That in the first option will be that, and you will tick the option that is such a major part of our lives. And second is self-driving car can help people. So you will tick the option who. Okay, who are old and differently abled. Third is students whose. You will tick the word whose names are called out should meet the principal after class. Here is the fourth option. The person whom I met yesterday is a famous scientist. Next is 5. The digital file is sliced into horizontal layers which you can add the conjunction which are then printed layer by layer. Next is and last is Valentina Tereshkova is the first woman who went into space. It is the Russian uh, woman, and she went into the space. Okay, so you will add both are the sentence by help of who conjunction. Okay, now next is join this sentence using which, whom, that, which, or who. So look here, Sophia is a human like robot that that can mimic human behavior. So remove the it word and add that conjunction. Next is Sophia has a lifelike face. So you will add both sentence by help of which and remove the t letter. Okay, it letter. So it will be Sophia has a lifelike face which can display more than 15 facial expression. Okay. Next is it means third. Rubber rubber is a elastic form of plastic which gives Sophia's face a like appearance, and you will remove the it words and add with which. Okay. Next is it means fourth. Sophia has 9 humanoid siblings who were also created by Hanson Robotic. You will drop the word they and add both are the sentence by help of who conjunction. Okay. Next is fifth. Audrey Hepburn was a famous Hollywood actress whom you will add whom conjunction word whom Sophia is modeled on her. Okay. Six is David Hudson is a robotic designer whose company Hudson Robotic designed Sophia. So you will drop the word his and add with Who?
Okay, I know you all will be understand of this exercises, and I revised again. Here is the first is the first exercise, and this exercise is a optional exercise. So you have to see here four option and tick the appropriate option. And next exercise, match these idioms with their meanings. So you can see here is the first column, and this first column is also a idioms, and in the second column it is the meaning of the idioms. Okay, so you have to read and learn of these idioms and also learn its meaning. Okay, now next is which of these clauses express a complete meaning, why or why not? Discuss your answer. So I explained this exercise in the video. So you have to know about the clause, and how these clauses express a complete meaning, and why expresses this complete meaning, and why not expresses this complete meaning. Okay, when I explain in a video, so you have to read all the sentences, group of the sentences, and it is the clause. And now tell which group of word will is a clause. Okay, and which group of word is not a clause. Okay, and you can also know about that there are two clouds. One is the independent cloud or main cloud, and second is a dependent or subordinate cloud. Okay, so read out this exercises. Now next exercise is complete these sentences based on your reading of the text. Okay, I think you read this chapter very well, and when you read, then you have to get many of the words. And here is the exercise that is the depend on your reading. And when you read a we read the uh, group these sentences, then you also recognized or identified wherever in which page or which part you have to see these words or sentences or phrases. Okay, so read out all these phrases and complete this sentence. Okay, now next is rewrite each set of the sentences as one sentence using the conjunction in a brackets. Okay, so here is the given two sentences and also given a conjunction word in a bracket. So you have to read both of the sentences and also use the conjunction word, and which is the word used in a sentences, and which word will be removed from the sentences. Okay, so I also explained it. Now next is exercise number K, match these columns to complete the proverb. Okay, underline the main clause in each proverb. So you can see here in the first column that is the proverb, and this proverb is not incomplete, so you have to match it in the second column. Okay, so it is very easy. And next is read the first two paragraph of the text again, and then complete this notes. Okay, so Venkat Raman from books not school, and here is the read the first two paragraph. Okay, uh, take your books and read the first and second paragraph very carefully. Okay, of your textbook. Okay, and then complete these notes. Okay, so you have to here is the some of the option, and there are given some of the clue. So you have to read this both of the paragraph, and now complete these notes. Okay, like a Venkat learned from uh, learned from books not school. Okay, and second is appreciated beauty in singing Vasudeva plus flower. Here's the some of the options. I gave you option. By using this option you have to complete the write a sentences and make a summary of the paragraph, like using the notes, that above mentioned above, and write a summary of the paragraph in 3 or 4 sentences. Clear? So I hope you all understand this. And if you have understand it, then complete your book exercise and also complete your CW copy. Okay, and if you have to complete both, it means CW and book exercise, then also complete your HW copy. And first, in HW copy you have to write first as a word meaning, and then book exercise, and then question answer. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.